Today we're gonna replace the cabin filter. What we gotta do here, we gotta remove the glove compartment. Put this down real quick. I need both hands for this. So basically you press here on this side and on the left side as well. Remove it. It's for a Jeep Wrangler. Got right here. You open this little fence. It has two sides. And you just lift it up. Take the old one out. Oh, that looks dirty. Put it here for now. Same thing with this one. Look at that. Oh, dirty. That was really dirty. Replace it. Just new ones. Airflow. So it says put it with the arrow pointing down. So put them with the arrow pointing down. Let me check if everything is clean in there. Just the arrow down. Down there. One there. Nice one, bro. Go all the way to the right. And just like so. Flip it back, put the drawer back, and there you have it. Thanks for watching.